Just launched at Harvey Norman, the latest Dyson V12 Detect Slim Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The new Dyson V12 Detect Slim is the lightest cordless vacuum with 150 air watts of powerful suction. It has a precisely angled laser to make invisible dust visible on hard floors. And with up to 60 minutes of fade-free power, you can clean here, there, and everywhere around your home. Shop the latest Dyson technology at your local store or shop online at harveynorman.ie. Harvey Norman, your Dyson specialists.
Go!